All right, today we're gonna bring a smaller forge for it's a VEVOR forge. Now, just to let you guys know, the brick is included. It's in here already. We're not taking it out yet until we're ready to use. Now, you got two chokes already, the splitter for it, all right, and the propane extension for it. Now, you are gonna require a propane tank, all right. Now, propane's not included with it. Provide your own propane tank, but the forge is strong enough to melt metal and gold, and it could go up to 2600 in Fahrenheit. All right, how are you going to put it together? Simple. This is pretty much the setup that you have in here. It goes in here in one area. You lock it in place through here. All right. You set up the second one. This forge does not have any covers. All right. Just make sure you're aware of that. Stainless steel, very strong.
So this is a shutter valve. When you put it straight, it's open for the gas. You put it down, so you can close it. It has off this way, but whichever way, if you go back, it'll close it as well. But once you put it straight, it opens up the line for the propane. There you go.
There's the burner. Let's do the thermal camera. Okay.
As you open up, you close the gas,
Open
the
gas,
pressure.
close the pressure.